Like this. Murakami?
Oh,
Oh shit!
Gonna go do some nails. Nails. So I finally arrived to the shop on time this time, mind you. And I locked myself out. I switched my purse recently and I locked myself out. I don't have the keys. Hopefully my dad is gonna walk over here from our other place and let me in. He came to save the day. We're closed on Tuesdays.
Look, it's dark. It's dark. Oh my God. It's already the clown.
Shut up. Did you just say it's Art the Clown?
Art the clown. Artie the clown.
I'm done with it.
Artie party. Yeah.
Love you.
See ya.
Bye. Usually I like to get here a little bit earlier, but recently I haven't been able to do that, so I am just setting up. Normally when I do Whitney's nails, we have somewhat of an idea, but this morning I texted her and I was like, hey, what do you want to do? She sent me literally 10,000 different ideas. I think we might go with Beauty and the Beast, but I'm not 100% sure. Here's today's outfit. I was so excited because I didn't think I had any shoes to match this outfit. I just wanted to be comfortable. And then I remembered I had these. I had these bathing apes that are the exact color of what I'm wearing.
Forever.
You should get a bridesmaid's box on your hair.
I hate you. Dude, they did good. Dude, they didn't lift at all.
Yeah.
Should I pick out of the box? Or are those
The
old?
mystery machine?
Or are they old?
We could try.
Can I just go like this?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Tell me when. It's like Avatar.
Oh my God.
I can't even open this.
We'll be
bitch.
here till 10 p.m. What?
Definitely says Lisa Frank on it.
Nuh-uh.
Murakami?
Oh!
What's that?
That's this.
What the is Murakami? I'm feeling this one.
Okay.
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 Oh shit! Let's play.
Machines and sell them? Because I really like
Well, this one's good too.
Oh yeah, I know what you're talking
I
about.
can do that. And then
Did you hear? Hey guys, so I forgot to record the cuticle prep. Let me know if you want a separate video for how I prep the cuticles. After prepping her natural nail with my 180 grit skinny sanding band, I'm using not polish dehydrator and then going in with their primer on all the nails, and then I am priming every single nail one more time before I apply the acrylic. I'm using my size 10 acrylic brush from my brand to apply this acrylic powder. This is my all-time top favorite cover acrylic to use. It's from Not Polish. It's called Nude Panther. It's a really nice go-to color and it lays so nice. I don't know if you can see, but look at the growth of her nails after 3 weeks, you guys. Isn't that crazy? Her nails grow so fast. I want to start recording more of my acrylic application process. I feel like it's so satisfying to watch. When it comes to fills, I usually do about 2 or 3 fills before doing a new full set, only if the client ends up wanting a new full set. I never tend to have lifting at all with my sets. If I do, it's because the client was super rough on their nails and caught it on something or hit it on something, which is definitely a given. I mean, if you hit your nail on something, it's obviously going to pull a little bit away from the nail plate, so it's definitely normal. After I have applied the acrylic, I'm going in with my new rectangle files from my brand. I'm using the 100/180 grit files. I love these, and fun fact, almond is one of my favorite shapes to shape. I feel like I'm really good at doing almond shape and also love doing stiletto as well. The bit I'm using to finish off the acrylic is called the Work It bit. This is also from my brand. All of our bits are in collaboration with the amazing Erica's ATA. Erica's ATA is one of the best brands for e-file bits. Literally amazing quality, and you barely have to change your bit. They last a really long time, and they're super well made. Now I'm just going in with my pink buffers and giving her a little buffy buff. Okay, so we decided to go with Powerpuff Girls Murakami. That's what she got in her little mystery thing. And it's super trending right now because Louis Vuitton just dropped a Murakami collab. And it's gonna be super cute. So let's get to work. First, I'm using the gel shade Baby Doll to create the Powerpuff skin tone. And I'm using my black shading gel to give a little quick sketch. I am curing in between each of these layers. And the brush I'm using is the 9mm Dreamliner brush, my holy grail lately. It's my favorite brush to use. As always, you guys, I'm gonna list every single thing I used in this video in the description below. Everything is from my brand. You can use code YouTube to save 10%. I think another really important product to mention is this Baddest black liner gel I'm using to do all the outlining. If you haven't tried our black liner gel yet, what are you doing? Because honestly, it's the best, one of the best products I think we have. I had to give you this little zoom in moment real quick on Mojo Jojo because can we talk about his hat? You see how tiny that Louis Vuitton print is? Now, of course, I had to add in the Murakami flowers. These are so much fun to paint. I used to hate painting these flowers, but now I actually love it. I've gotten a lot faster with doing them. I'd say the hardest part about painting them is just getting the lengths and the sizes of the petals all symmetrical. Also, highly don't suggest doing them as small as this either. Like, I don't know what I was thinking, but I actually love what I was thinking because I love how they turned out, but it was definitely a challenge. If you've made it this far in the video, it's time for a little giveaway. All you guys have to do is comment your favorite throwback Disney movie, and I'm gonna pick one comment and make a whole video on it. I'm gonna choose one random person and picking a winner in the comments by next week. Now, let's get to painting this print. I could literally paint this in my sleep. I've painted it so many times. Maybe I should make a video on the Louis Vuitton print too. Let me know if you guys would like that. I'm going in with my favorite product ever, our matte top coat. And let me just tell you, this is our best-selling product for a reason. Your clients will be coming back with their nails still perfectly matte every single time. No stains, no nothing. I don't know how it works, but it just does. Here's how the nails turned out, you guys. I'm literally obsessed. I love how they all flow together. They look so cute, so Y2K, and the matte really set it off. I was low-key scared to do matte on this set, but look at this. It's so perfect. I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. And don't forget to comment your favorite Disney movie for a chance to be featured in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.